Hello and welcome back. In this video, we're going to walk you through how to launch a cart and discount A/B test using the CausalFunnel A/B test and landing page tool app. This test helps you measure how different discounts trigger impact conversions, average order value, and checkout completion. To begin, you're going to want to open the CausalFunnel test app inside of your Shopify admin. You're going to go to the A/B test section once you get there. Now that we're here, we're going to go to the A/B test tab and click Launch A/B test. On the screen, we're going to see all the different test types that are available. Today, we're going to select the cart and discount test card. First, we're going to land on a page with just some basic information. This is where you enter your test name, a short description, and set your test goal. These details help you understand the purpose of your experiment when you're reviewing your analytics later on, so it's really important to fill these out. Once everything is filled in, click Continue. Next is the variant setup. This is where you define the discount that will be tested. This step works similarly to the price A/B test, but includes additional customization options. Here, you can create a variant based on two types of conditions, a minimum cart value or a minimum number of items in the cart. You can also choose to discount types. You can do a percentage discount, such as 10% off, or a fixed amount discount, such as $50 off a purchase of $200 or more. Once you've chosen a discount type, enter the amount and select your conditions. You can click an auto-generated message as well. This will create a ready-to-use promotional message that will show up on your storefront. You can also preview how the discount will behave before moving forward. When everything is configured, click Continue. You'll now see the same familiar testing available in the A/B test option. You can leave everything on the default configuration or customize specific toggles depending on your testing strategy. After reviewing everything, remember to hit Continue. On the summary page, you'll see a complete overview of your test details, including the discount amount. You'll also see your auto-generated coupon code that will be created inside of Shopify. If you want to modify the coupon code, all you have to do is change the name, and you can edit it here before launching. Once everything is correct, we're going to hit launch. Once the test is launched, the app automatically creates a discount code inside of your Shopify admin. This discount is great based on rules that you set. It can be anything from cart value, minimum number of items, discount type, and discount value. To confirm everything is correct, you can check the newly created discount code under Discounts. Make sure you clear your cookies before testing. This is important to ensure the site thinks that you are a new visitor. So let's see how it works. Once you visit the store with a clean session, you'll see the promotional banner using the auto-generated message. This message explains to shoppers what they need to do to qualify for the discount. If your cart value is below the minimum threshold, the discount will not apply. You can show this clearly by adding items below the requirement. However, when the cart meets the expected value or exceeds the required amount, or when customers add enough items, the discount will automatically be applied. Customers will see the discount both in their cart and again at checkout, just like any typical Shopify discount. This allows you to measure the discount messaging and threshold influences of customer behavior. Next, to view your A/B test. To analyze the performance of your cart and discount test, just return to the A/B test tab inside the CausalFunnel app. Find your test and click the button that says View Results. Here you can view your analytics, compare variant performance, pause the test, resume it, stop it, or delete it entirely. This gives you full control over managing the test life cycles and optimizing your store discount strategy. So why does this test matter? This type of test is especially powerful if you want to improve your AOV, reduce cart abandonment, or understand what discount levels customers respond to best. It helps you scientifically validate your discount strategy instead of just guessing. And that is the complete process on how to launch an A/B test for your cart and discount inside of the CausalFunnel app. Using this test, you can understand how to discount triggers your customer behavior and conversions. So thanks for watching, and check out our next tutorials for more optimization tools. Bye!